Hey there, this is my jumping jack tutorial. I'm going to go over how to do a proper jumping jack, which I'm sure most of you already know how to do, and then I'm going to show two variations that you can use that eliminate the jump and making things a little easier on those joints. So before we get started, I'm going to go over the 5 proper posture points. Head, neck, and spine in alignment, shoulders down and back, chest lifted, core is tight, and of course breathing. So when you do any kind of jumping jack, you want to make sure the arms go all the way up, all the way down. That's just going to help keep that heart rate lifted. If you don't want to jump, the first variation is you're stepping out to the side and you're transferring your weight from side to side. Again, making sure those arms go all the way up, all the way down. You know, you can even add a little bounce in this, but you're not completely coming off the floor with your feet. If you want something that eliminates any kind of jumping or bouncing, your weight is going to stay centered and you're just stepping a foot out and back in. Arms going all the way up, all the way down, but the weight is not shifting. It's staying right there in the center. And this makes it really easy on the joints. So things to keep in mind is arms going all the way up, all the way down, keeping that core tight. If you have any questions or comments, you can post them in the comment section below this video. Thanks so much for watching.